For decades, castor oil has been known for its various medicinal and therapeutic properties, including its use as a natural remedy for skin conditions and healthy hair secrets. From soothing irritated skin and reducing wrinkles to promoting luscious hair growth and banishing dandruff, castor oil is your new go-to for a radiant, healthy look. Stay tuned to learn all the tips and tricks for incorporating this versatile oil into your daily regimen. 1. Moisturizes dry skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer due to its high fatty acid content, which penetrates deeply into the skin to provide lasting hydration. This makes it ideal for treating dry, flaky skin, which can often be uncomfortable and unsightly. Unlike many commercial moisturizers, castor oil provides natural hydration without added chemicals or preservatives. To use castor oil as a moisturizer, apply a few drops to clean, damp skin and gently massage it in, ensuring even coverage. For best results, use it before bedtime and allow it to absorb overnight, as this gives the oil ample time to work its magic. Regular use can lead to significantly softer, smoother, and more supple skin. 2. Reduces acne. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help reduce acne, a common and often frustrating skin condition. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil inhibits the growth of bacteria that cause acne, reducing the frequency and severity of breakouts. By controlling the bacteria, castor oil helps maintain a clearer complexion without the harsh side effects of many over-the-counter acne treatments. To use it, cleanse your face thoroughly and apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected areas using a cotton swab, ensuring targeted application. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off with a gentle cleanser. With consistent use, many people find their skin becomes clearer and less prone to new breakouts. 3. Promotes wound healing. The fatty acids in castor oil enhance tissue growth and repair, making it effective for speeding up wound healing. It also creates a moist environment that prevents sores from drying out, which is crucial for proper healing. This moist environment promotes the regeneration of new skin cells, leading to faster recovery and reduced scarring. To promote wound healing, apply a thin layer of castor oil to the cleaned wound area and cover it with a sterile bandage to protect it from dirt and bacteria. Repeat this process daily until the wound heals, monitoring the progress and ensuring cleanliness. Many users report quicker healing times and improved skin condition in the affected area. 4. Reduces inflammation. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for treating skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, which are often characterized by redness, swelling, and irritation. By reducing these symptoms, castor oil can provide significant relief and improve the appearance of the skin. Warm a small amount of castor oil in your hands to enhance its absorption and gently massage it into the affected areas. Repeat this process twice daily for optimal results, ensuring consistent application. Over time, many people notice a decrease in symptoms and an overall improvement in skin health. 5. Minimizes scars and stretch marks. Castor oil can help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks by penetrating deeply and stimulating the production of collagen and elastin. These proteins are essential for skin elasticity and regeneration, which are crucial for minimizing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Massage castor oil into the scarred or stretch-marked areas daily, preferably after a shower when your skin is most absorbent and pores are open. Consistent use over several weeks can yield noticeable improvements, making scars and stretch marks less visible and enhancing overall skin texture. This natural treatment is a gentle and effective alternative to more invasive procedures. 6. Anti-aging effects. The hydrating and nourishing properties of castor oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful complexion. Its antioxidants also help combat free radicals that contribute to aging, protecting the skin from environmental damage. Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face and neck after cleansing, focusing on areas prone to fine lines and wrinkles, such as around the eyes and mouth. Use it as part of your nightly skincare routine, allowing the oil to work overnight while your skin naturally repairs itself. Over time, many users report smoother, firmer skin with a reduction in visible signs of aging. 7. Treats skin infections. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of castor oil make it effective against skin infections such as ringworm, athlete's foot, and fungal acne. These properties help to eliminate harmful microorganisms, promoting healthier skin. Apply castor oil directly to the infected area with a cotton swab to ensure precise application and maximum effectiveness. For fungal infections on the feet, soak your feet in warm water mixed with a few tablespoons of castor oil for 15 to 20 minutes daily. This method not only treats the infection, but also soothes the skin and provides relief from itching and discomfort. Consistent treatment leads to noticeable improvements and healthier skin. 8. Soothes sunburn. Castor oil provides relief from sunburn due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, helping to soothe the skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. The oil's thick consistency creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture and prevents further damage. Gently apply a thin layer of castor oil to the sunburned areas, ensuring even coverage without rubbing too harshly on sensitive skin. For added cooling and healing benefits, you can mix it with aloe vera gel, which enhances the soothing effect. This combination can provide immediate relief and speed up the healing process. Regular application helps restore the skin's natural barrier and promotes faster recovery. 9. Removes toxins. Castor oil is believed to have detoxifying properties that help draw out impurities and toxins from the skin, promoting clearer and healthier skin. This detoxification process can lead to a more radiant complexion and improved skin texture. To detoxify your skin, apply a generous amount of castor oil to your face and cover it with a warm, damp cloth, allowing the warmth to open your pores and enhance absorption. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then wipe away the excess oil, which removes the impurities along with it. Repeat this process weekly as part of your skincare routine. Over time, many people notice a clearer complexion and reduced blemishes. 10. Treats dry lips. Castor oil is a natural emollient, making it effective for treating dry, chapped lips by providing deep hydration and creating a protective barrier. This helps lock in moisture and keeps your lips soft and supple throughout the day. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips as needed, ensuring even coverage without making the lips feel greasy. For an overnight treatment, apply a thicker layer before going to bed, allowing the oil to work while you sleep. Regular use can prevent lips from becoming dry and cracked, especially during harsh weather conditions. Many users find their lips become noticeably softer and more resilient with consistent application. Castor oil benefits for hair.
1. Secret weapon for hair growth. One of the most acclaimed benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. The oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that has been shown to improve blood circulation in the scalp. Enhanced circulation ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, fostering a healthier environment for hair growth. To unlock the magic of castor oil, start by warming a small amount in a bowl to help it penetrate your scalp more effectively. Next, part your hair into sections and apply the oil directly to your scalp using a dropper or your fingertips. Enjoy a soothing scalp massage in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the oil work its wonders for at least 30 minutes. Or for the best results, leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning with a mild shampoo. Repeat this fun and relaxing ritual 1 to 2 times a week for fabulous hair. 2. Ultimate Hair Moisturizer and Conditioner. This magical substance is a powerful humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Its thick consistency creates a protective barrier on the hair shaft, preventing moisture loss and leaving hair feeling soft and hydrated. How to use it? Mix castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut or jojoba to make it easier to apply, then generously coat your hair, paying special attention to those dry ends. You can also give your scalp some love if needed. Pop on a shower cap and let the magic happen for 1 to 2 hours, or go for the ultimate deep conditioning by leaving it on overnight. Make this luxurious treatment a weekly ritual to keep your hair fabulously moisturized and feeling its best. 3. Guardian against hair breakage and split ends. Always problematic about split ends? Well, this might be your answer. Regular use of castor oil can significantly reduce hair breakage and split ends. The fatty acids in castor oil penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within and making it more resilient to damage caused by styling, environmental factors, and daily wear and tear. How to apply it? Warm the castor oil slightly for better absorption. Apply a small amount of oil to the ends of your hair after washing and towel drying it. Avoid the scalp if your hair tends to get greasy. Leave it in as a fabulous leave-in treatment. No rinsing needed. Pamper your hair with this magic elixir 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what your hair needs. 4. Superhero against dandruff and scalp troubles. Tired of dealing with an itchy, dry scalp? Say goodbye to discomfort because this is your secret weapon. Castor oil has potent antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it effective in treating dandruff and scalp infections. It helps to balance the scalp's pH, reduce inflammation, and eliminate pathogens that cause dandruff and other scalp conditions. Combine castor oil with tea tree oil or peppermint oil, which also have antimicrobial properties. Apply the mixture directly to the scalp and massage it in gently. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Use this treatment once a week to keep dandruff and scalp infections at bay. 5. Improves hair thickness and volume. The nutrients in castor oil, particularly its high levels of vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, can enhance hair thickness and volume. Regular application of castor oil nourishes the hair follicles, encouraging them to produce thicker and healthier strands. Prepare it by mixing castor oil with a carrier oil like almond or olive oil to make it easier to distribute through the hair. Apply the mixture from the roots to the tips of your hair, ensuring even coverage. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for a more intensive treatment. Use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week to see noticeable improvements in hair thickness and volume. Proper use and tips. While castor oil can offer numerous benefits for hair, using it correctly is essential to achieve the best results. Here are some additional tips and precautions. Patch test. Before using castor oil extensively, perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Apply a small amount of oil to a patch of skin and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Dilution. Due to its thickness, castor oil can be challenging to apply directly. Mixing it with lighter oils not only makes it easier to use, but also enhances its benefits by combining the properties of multiple oils. Consistent use. For significant improvements, consistency is key. Regular application of castor oil is necessary to achieve and maintain the desired results. Quality. Always choose cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil for the best quality. Cold-pressed oils retain more nutrients compared to those extracted using heat or chemicals. Protective measures. Use an old t-shirt or a towel to protect your clothing and bedding from oil stains during application and overnight treatments. Common questions and answers. Can castor oil make hair greasy? Yes. Due to its thick and viscous nature, castor oil can make hair greasy if applied excessively. Using a small amount and focusing on the scalp and ends can help manage this issue. Additionally, washing your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo after treatment can remove excess oil. How long does it take to see results from castor oil? Results can vary depending on individual hair types and conditions. Generally, noticeable improvements in hair texture and moisture can be seen within a few weeks of consistent use. For hair growth and thickness, it may take a few months of regular application. Can castor oil be used on all hair types? Yes. Castor oil is suitable for all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. However, individuals with fine or oily hair should use it sparingly to avoid weighing their hair down. Is it safe to use castor oil on color-treated hair? Yes, castor oil is safe for color-treated hair. In fact, its moisturizing properties can help maintain the vibrancy of the color and prevent dryness and damage caused by chemical treatments. Can castor oil help with alopecia or severe hair loss? While castor oil can promote healthier hair growth and improve scalp conditions, it is not a cure for alopecia or severe hair loss. Individuals with these conditions should consult a healthcare professional for appropriate treatment options.
Castor oil proves to be a versatile and powerful addition to your beauty regimen, offering remarkable benefits for both hair and skin. Its rich composition of fatty acids and vitamin E promotes healthy hair growth, reduces dandruff, and leaves your scalp nourished. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe skin irritations, treat acne, and enhance overall skin texture. Embrace the natural goodness of castor oil to achieve a radiant and healthy appearance, making it an essential part of your daily routine. And if you like to watch more of this topic, make sure to watch the next video.